welcome to It's Storytime, kids! I thought I would read Dino Diggers. Dumper Truck Danger! Dumper Truck Danger by Rose Impey and Chris Chatterton. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to do my very best to hold it up so you can see things properly. On the back it says, "Meet the Dino Diggers, the best in Dino Town. Today there's an emergency. The town bridge has collapsed in the storm and taken the baker's van with it. It's a dino disaster. Luckily, Stacy Stegosaurus and her dumper truck are at the ready." So we'll give this a read. Here we go. See if I can make it so that it focuses on the book. Who are the Dino Diggers? The best in Dino Town. We put things right when they go wrong and never let you down. It doesn't say who are, it says we are. We are the Dino Diggers, the best in Dino Town. We put things right when they go wrong and never let you down. Terry, Tyrone, Ricky, Bruno, and Stacy. Dino Diggers, Dumper Truck Danger by Rose Impey and Chris Chatterton. Today, despite the stormy weather, the Dino Diggers are having a big clear-up. Tyrone T-Rex is helping Stacy Stegosaurus fill her dumper truck. All the spare rocks are going to the Dino Town Garden Centre. Dino Diggers, Inc. Stacy sets off to deliver them. "Hurry back," Terry Dactyl tells her. "There's lots more work to do." "No worries," says Stacy. Terry Dactyl is a brilliant name. But on the way, Stacy is waved down by a very worried-looking Mrs. Sylvisaurus, the mayor of Dino Town. "Stop, stop," she says. "Something terrible has happened." "Oh no, I wonder what?" "The town bridge," she explains. "It's collapsed in this storm and taken the baker's van with it." "This is bad news," thinks Stacy. "Without a bridge, Dino Town will be cut off." Luckily, she knows exactly who to call. "Leave this to us," she tells the mayor. "You know our motto, the best in town. Dino Diggers, never let you down." I'm going to have to cough. I'm really sorry. I did have a packet of crisps before I started reading, and I think that they were too crumbly in my throat. They were ready salted. Thank you for asking. When the Dino Diggers reach the river, they see that most of the bridge has been completely washed away, and poor Diceratops, the Dino Town baker, is trapped in his van, which keeps sinking further into the mud. "Please, can't someone help me?" he calls. Poor Diceratops. "This is a Dino Town tragedy," says Terry. That would be Terry Dactyl. Genius. This book is genius. But While Terry is still working out what to do, Tyrone jumps into his digger. "I'll soon fix this," he says. "I've got a plan." Stacy isn't so sure about that. Tyrone's plans don't always work out. "Be careful you don't get stuck too," she warns him. Check out that digger, that's awesome. Or should I say, roarsome. "With these wheels," Tyrone laughs, "not a chance." Tyrone dives straight into the soft mud, which makes a loud sucking sound. Shlunk. But Tyrone presses on, scooping up mud as he goes and emptying the shovel behind him. Schluck! His digger is working as hard as it possibly can to clear a path to Diceratops' van. Schluck! At last, with one final effort, Tyrone reaches him and starts to push them both onto safer ground. All the Dino Diggers have watched the big rescue. Tyrone is feeling very proud of himself until... Oh no! He suddenly realizes they are both on the wrong side of the bridge. How will they ever get back? This time Stacy has a plan, but it could be a dangerous one. "Oh no, Stacy Stegosaurus, what's your plan?" Very slowly, Stacy expertly backs her dumper truck right to the very edge of the broken bridge. "Hang on there, Tyrone," she calls. "Remember our motto, Dino Diggers never let you down. And we never let each other down either." With great skill, Stacy carefully dumps all her rocks into the muddy riverbed. Oh, that was clever, Stacy. It may be a bit bumpy, but now Tyrone and Diceratops have a safe way to drive out. "That was a clever plan of yours," Terry tells Stacy, and Tyrone agrees. "She saved us all! Hooray for Stacy!" "What a tremendous team," says Terry. "Now everyone back to work. Let's get this bridge fixed." No time off. When Mrs. Sylviesaurus officially opens the new bridge, the traffic pours across. Oh, there we go. The whole picture is better, isn't it? When Mrs. Sylviesaurus officially opens the new bridge by cutting the ribbon, the traffic pours across. "3 cheers for the Dino Diggers," she calls, and all the traffic honks its horn in agreement. Well done, Dino Diggers! Is that the end? It is the end! Hooray for the Dino Diggers, another job well done! Here are other stories full of dino digging fun. I don't have the others. Digger Disaster, Crane Calamity, and Dumper Truck Danger. Also, I got this book from the library, but I think if you get an original one, a brand new one, it comes with something to pop out and make. I think you make yourself a little cardboard truck. Oh, that was such a great book. I hope you enjoyed that one. Dino Diggers Dumper Truck Danger by Rose Impey and Chris Chatterton. Okay, I've got to get back into the office and continue with my day, but thank you for joining me, and you all take care now. Bye!